Today in this video we will see how to change the color of text with the S Pen in Samsung Notes. Now let me open Notes application at first and let me create a new note. Now if I want to change the color, what I will do is let me select this pen icon at first and let me select any color. After that, if I write, then you can see it is in red color. So you can change the color of the text in the beginning only. Now suppose later on if you want to change the color of the text, then what you do is tap this selection icon here, then select this text. After that, go to change styles, and then you can also change the color later on, and then done. Now you can see the color of the text is changed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.